Hello, welcome back to A Roll of the Dice. I'm Rob from Rob Studio Photography, and today we're going to continue on with the low-key photography idea, but we're going to look at with an idea of backlighting. What will happen there, you'll have lots of light in the back, as we're going to have here, but then as we expose, everything in the front will then turn black, and we'll be able to then control that and just to use silhouettes to tell the story that we have. Then we're going to continue with our figures. So back with the little sand troopers, and also we'll have a go later on with our Batman figure again. So follow through with me how I set up with that. I've got all my various bits there, and then we can start looking at setting up the lighting so that we can start to use low-key and backlit subjects. We're going to set up these small studios we have done before. So we'll have a white panel at the back for reflections. We will have the normal base with another white board underneath that, so that the light will then be reflected back from the back and then also upwards. Then you'll see that we'll put a couple of square LEDs. In fact, we'll put 3 LEDs in there that will light up the back. Then as you see, what it then does is it shows all of the silhouettes from behind. Then we will change it to the snoot cover that will then bring us into that very, very small circle of light. That done will bring the figures into shadow, and then we'll be able to get some photographs of that. They'll be going into Photoshop in a moment. We'll be able to enjoy using that. What we've done, we've got our 2 stormtroopers, as you'll see as you look through the various photos. If they are then set up against something, you get an impression of what's happening, but you don't actually get to see it. It's your mind, your eyes are telling you what's going on. But of course, in the other ones that we see there, we've put them into Photoshop as well, just so we can look at those. There are lots of people who will tell you how to do that. You do it by using layers, and they will give you those. And also there's an extra one there that we put in a Batman, because we've done the same thing with that as well. We will do these in various other videos as well, but those are the basics of putting in a low-key and a backlit studio, so that then you can enjoy playing around with those photos. So if you like that, like and subscribe, and we'll see you again. Take care.